Are you feeling sluggish, bloated, or weighed down by toxins? It might be time for a reset. Welcome to Natural Home Remedy, your go-to channel for holistic health solutions. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of colon cleansing, a natural way to detoxify your body and rejuvenate your health. First, drinking lemon water. All you need is some fresh lemon juice, squeezed into warm water. The citric acid in lemons helps loosen built-up waste and toxins, while the water flushes everything out. Drink a big glass first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and again before bed for best results. Next, eating more high-fiber foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes and whole grains. The fiber acts like a broom, sweeping out your colon as it passes through. Aim for at least 25 to 30 grams daily. Some great options are apples, avocados, oats, chia seeds and lentils. 1. Lemon water. 1. Squeeze the juice from half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm water. 2. Drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. 3. The citric acid in the lemon helps stimulate digestive juices and loosen waste in the colon. 4. Also contains antioxidants that help flush out toxins. 5. The warm water helps hydrate the body and flush out the loosened waste. 6. Aim to drink 1 to 2 glasses of lemon water every day for best effects. 1. High-fiber foods. 1. Fiber passes through the body undigested, sweeping waste out of the colon. 2. Goal is 25 to 30 grams of fiber per day from foods like fruits, apples, pears, berries, avocado. Vegetables, broccoli, artichokes, carrots, squash. Nuts and seeds. Legumes, lentils, beans, peas. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice. 3. Fiber helps add bulk to stools, making them easier to pass. 1. Herbal teas. 1. Senna, strong natural laxative, stimulates contractions to move waste through bowels. 2. Ginger, anti-inflammatory and aids digestion. 3. Peppermint, relaxes intestinal muscles to relieve bloating/cramping. 4. Don't overdo herbal teas or can cause diarrhea. 5. Start with 1 cup per day and monitor body's response. Finally, herbal teas like senna, ginger or peppermint. They contain compounds that stimulate digestion and bowel movements. Drink a few cups per day. Just don't overdo it, as some herbs can cause cramping or diarrhea if you take too much. There you have it, my top 3 go-to home remedies for getting rid of built-up waste in your colon, relieving constipation and feeling lighter and healthier. Give them a try and let me know in the comments if you have any other natural colon cleanse solutions you swear by. Thanks for watching.